My mom and dad are not rich or famous. But to me, they are the most special people in the world. Their story is simple, but it is full of love. So today, let me tell you about them. First, my mom. My mom is a small woman with a big heart. She wakes up early every morning, before everyone else. She makes breakfast for the whole family. The kitchen smells like warm bread and sweet tea. Her hands are always busy. She cooks, she cleans, and she waters her little garden. She grows tomatoes and small flowers there. The garden is her happy place. But she is never too busy for me. When I am sad, she knows it right away. She doesn't ask many questions. She just sits with me and listens. Then she makes my favorite soup. Food is her way of saying, "I love you." My mom also loves to sing. She sings in the kitchen, in the garden, everywhere. Her voice is not perfect, but it makes our home warm and happy. Now, my dad. My dad is a quiet man. He doesn't talk very much, but he shows his love in small ways. He fixes things around the house. A broken chair, a slow door, an old lamp. His hands can fix almost anything. When I was a child, he taught me how to ride a bicycle. He ran behind me for hours. He never let me fall. Every evening, he sits in his old chair. He reads the newspaper, slowly, page by page. Sometimes he tells me stories from his young days. His stories are long and slow, but I love every one of them. Next, I want to share a small story. I remember one rainy day, many years ago. I was sick, and I stayed in bed. My mom sat next to me all day. She put her soft hand on my head. My dad walked to the store in the heavy rain. He came back with medicine and my favorite fruit. His clothes were wet, but he smiled at me and said, "You will be fine." That day, I understood something important. Love is not big words. Love is small actions, day after day. Now I am older, and my mom and dad are older, too. Their hair is gray now. They walk a little more slowly. So now, it is my turn. I take care of them, like they took care of me. I call them every day. I visit them every weekend. We sit together, drink tea, and talk about small things. The weather, the garden, the neighbors. Nothing big, but everything special. These simple moments are gold to me. I am so proud of my mom and dad. They taught me how to work hard. They taught me how to be kind. Everything good in me comes from them. So, that is the story of my mom and dad. Simple people, with big hearts. If your parents are near you, give them a hug today. Tell them, "Thank you." Small words can mean so much. Here on Learn English by Listening, I share a new easy story every day. If this video helps you, please subscribe to the channel. It is free, and it helps me a lot. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, take care of your family, and take care of yourself. Bye.